I came
Wow.
for a
Very
long
nice.
time.
You are very lucky, Mataji.
No, I don't know. It came out. I came to know now about it.
It's the first time for me getting my birthday on Ekadashi. I never get my birthday on Ekadashi. I get
So
it
you
on
are happy for that, Krishna Nayana? You are happy for Ekadasi birthday?
not really.
You can make an Ekadashi cake.
Yeah, I really don't really want an Ekadashi cake.
You know what? You can just have some dates and churn them in the mixer, mix them in the mixer, add some, make some dry fruit powder, mix it, and then you can mold it and just make a cake out of it.
Dates
Easy
cake? Dates cake?
Yes, dates cake you can bake it and make, but without baking also you can make it.
Yeah.
Maybe next Friday we'll have a cooking session in our Friday class. How about that?
Yay!
You like cooking?
My mom is making a cake for me right now for my birthday tomorrow.
See, your mom loves you, right? Okay, so I think they're joining Mataji or still time? Okay.
Mataji, I just shared the link, Mataji. I think
one more minute.
start joining
One
now.
moment. In one more minute it will join.
Yes, Mataji, I shared the link. I think devotees will join. Kids will start joining.
You know what, Krishna and Keshvi, today I have a lot of work. You know what? I think in my garden there is a puppy which has been, I think a puppy is stuck up in that small corner, and it has been I don't know, it has been making sound, howling, for the whole night. So once it gets a little bit sunlight, then I'll have to remove him. I hope it does not bite me.
If you save his life, he will like you. Yeah.
I don't know what it is like. I think it's a small puppy.
Do you know how many years old is it?
No, I couldn't see it because it's dark, right? So I couldn't see it.
Oh, I thought it was like yesterday you saw it.
No, yesterday night I think it has got strapped over there. So
how did it get stuck? I have so many
know.
questions.
You know, they hop around in my garden. So then they come and they get stuck up somewhere.
You have a garden?
Small garden, not big.
Okay, great. I thought you had
Mataji, another 2 minutes we can start. It's already 6:15. I sent the link also. In
Yes,
2 minutes
Mataji.
we can start, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. So did y'all send the kite which we made last week?
I forgot again.
Again. Now I should wait on the call and I should wait for you to send it in the group, right, Krishna Nena? How about you, Keshavi? I didn't see your kite. You did draw a kite that day, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Hi, Krishna Parikshit. Hi, Krishna Josh. Hi, Krishna Subhadra Giridhari. Subhadra Giridhari, where is your kite? Where was your kite? Subhadra Giridhari? I didn't see your kite that day. Hare Krishna, Vrinda.
I was trying to kite Mataji. Mataji, this one's my kite.
You didn't send it then, Krishna Nena? Did you send a picture? Can you send it?
Don't be forced to try and first try.
No, you can send it now. No worries. You can send it now. Hare Krishna Vikhyat. So nice to see you. We missed you on Monday.
Hare Krishna Mataji. It's me, Balaram.
Sometimes I just crack these eyes.
Yes, I can see your kite, Krishna
Hey,
Nena.
Vrinda, your kite is very nice. You have the rings also on that, right? Can you show the rings that you put it on? Wow, that's so pretty.
Why can I not make her a I cannot highlight
I spotted her, Mataji, already. Vrinda, we can see on the screen.
Okay, is it? Okay.
Yeah, I spotted many kids. I mean, like you are there, Krishna Nayana is there, and Subhadra Giridhari is there, Vrinda is there. We can see all 4 of you on the screen.
Okay, yeah. Subhadra Giridhari, okay, this was the first thing which we drew a kite, right? Very nice drawing. Can you send it in the group, Subhadra Giridhari?
Yes, Mataji. Mataji,
Yeah,
can
and
you show
last week,
mine?
you remember we made a kite also like this out of paper? Did you make those? Very nice, Linda. I really like it.
Mataji, I wasn't there in the class, Mataji.
Sorry?
I wasn't there. We wasn't there in class. That's why we didn't post it.
Okay, I'll send the photos in the group, okay? So that you can make it from there.
Okay.
Okay, where is Mukund? Yes, Mukund, very nice. Mukund, did you send it in the group?
Yes, Mataji.
This was sent in the group? Okay, I'll check for it. Can you send this again?
Yes, Mataji. I'll send again.
I'll just check it, okay? Hare Krishna, Deepak Kaushiki. Hare Krishna, Balaram.
Hare Krishna
Who else
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Okay. What I'll do is, Mukund, wish you a belated happy birthday. I wasn't there yesterday.
Thank you,
Happy birthday
Mataji. Hare
yesterday?
Krishna. Yes, Mataji. Mataji, please give your blessings.
Like you are such a wonderful, wonderful devotee. Lord Krishna is always blessing you.
Hare
Okay, can we say Hare Krishna to Mukund again? Hare Krishna to
Hare
Krishna
to you.
Hare Krishna dear Hare Krishna Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, dear
Mukund.
Happy
birthday. How old are you, Mukund?
Mataji, I turned 10.
Very good. Can we clap 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, bol.
Everyone, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Okay. I'll just share the screen, okay?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hi, Krishna. Who is it?
Poet.
Who is it?
Poet.
Oh, one second. I'll just see. Where are you? Palvit, very good. You joined, right?
You cannot see me.
I cannot see you. Why? I want to see you.
Now you see me.
I see you. Let me see if I see you. Palvit, wait. Let me see you.
Yeah, I see. Gigi, can I show you something?
Yes.
My sister and my mother brought this.
Ah, those balloon shaped, right?
Yes,
Can
Mataji.
That's nice, and they stay long. You can just keep it on the wall and they stay.
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Krishna Palvit, good to see you.
Yeah.
And today we are going to have a very an interesting session wherein we'll see that everybody has learned these verses, and also then there are wonderful activities also with it, and I hope you all like it. So we'll quickly revise with the verses, okay? And then so that when the question come for the verses, you will be able to answer it. Okay, is that okay? And maybe in the middle we'll do the activity, so that it becomes a mix of activity and learning and everything. Okay, only you will need a drawing paper and a pencil, so not much to be done. Only a drawing paper, a plain paper, or a printer paper is also good, or your drawing notebook is also good, and a pencil you will need. Okay, so we'll start with our class. It's so nice to see you all. Hare Krishna again, and we will start with our prayers. Okay, everyone, you can unmute and start with the prayers.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Gurave Namaha Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Gadadara Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktavrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Krishna, 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 Hare Hare Rama, Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama Hare Hare.
Hare.
Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll start with our class. And so for the last 3 weeks, which verses we were doing, and are like, like what were the verses we were doing? Anybody has any idea what we were doing? Remember we did the kite. We wrote about our senses on it. Yes, Mukund.
Mataji, we made our own kite.
Okay. Why did you make that kite? What was this like significance of making it? Yes.
Mataji, can Akshita say?
Yes, Akshita, go ahead. Can I see you also?
Because-
Akshita?
Yeah, Mataji.
So we wrote that because we were talking about our 5 senses and how we could use our 5 senses to worship Krishna. So we made a kite and wrote a letter in the back.
So the kite represented your senses, and whom are you surrendering your senses to, or whom are you using your senses for?
Krishna.
Krishna, for the service of Krishna. Very good. Deepak, you want to say something?
No, Mataji. I
Okay,
just crashed my kite.
Okay. So you remember the instruction which Lord Krishna has given in the Bhagavad Gita, 2.62, 2.63,
Yeah,
2.64?
I heard Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. So
Yes,
can you send me the kite steps again, because I want to make even a better one than the
Okay.
other one.
Sure, I'll send it. Okay. I'll send it in the group again.
Hare
Okay.
Krishna
There are
Mataji,
3.
can I
Okay.
Mr. Go?
Parikshit, do you want to read this?
Okay, Masterji. These are 3 gates to self-destructive hell: lust, anger, and greed. Renounce these 3.
Right. So Lord Shri Krishna is telling us about all these: lust, anger, greed, envy. Right. So from 2.6 to 2.63, we have done that. Right. So now I want, like, you can raise your hands and then we can say it. Okay, we'll say it first together and then we can have all of you to recite this verse. Okay. Dhyayato Vishaya
Dhyayato Vishayat Pumsan Jayate Bijayate.
Okay, you all want to say it together. Okay, you know what? So we can have Balavrinda, Mukund, and Shri Krishna. Can you say the verse together?
Sir Mataji.
Go ahead, Balavrinda, Mukund, and Shri Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Slowly.
Dhyayato Vishayat Pumsan
Sangastashu
Jayate Jayate Kama Krodha Bijayate.
Krishna Mataji.
Very good, very good. So then we have Subhadra. Yes, Subhadra, Giridhari, and then Balaram. Can you say? You 3 of you can say the verse.
Yes, Mataji.
Sangashtujupajayate Sangashanjayate Kama Kamakrodho Vijayate.
Very good.
Mataji, can Nandini say this sloka?
Yeah, 1 second. Okay, I'm just according to the list which I see, I'm telling everyone. Don't worry. Okay. So Krishna, Naina, Vikhyat, and Nandini. Can you three say the verse together?
Okay, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसाः संगस्तेषु भजायते संगात् संजायते कामात् क्रोधो विजायते.
Very good. Okay, next we have Akshita, Parikshit, and Josh. Akshita, Parikshit, and Josh. Can you see this verse?
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji.
I don't know it. Like, I barely joined, so I know the translation though.
Okay, okay. No worries.
ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसां संगस्तेषु भजायते संगात् संजायते कामात् कामात् क्रोधो विजायते. Thank you,
Very good.
Mataji.
Thank you. Deepak, Kaushiki, and Keshavi. Can you three recite the verse?
Yes, Mataji. Dayate vishayan pumsa sangas
Teshu Pajayate.
Sanjayate sangat sanjayate kama kamat krodho bijayate. Thank you, Mataji.
Very good, Keshavi.
Hare Krishna Mataji. It's
Deepak, Deepak, Kaushiki, and Manmai Krishna. You
And
three can say
Mataji,
together.
I want to tell something. Can you please help me? We cannot see those.
Okay, okay. Then you know what? Can you? Okay, I'll
My
just.
brother knows. My brother knows. I don't know.
Okay, okay. For Josh and Kaushiki, we'll do it again. Okay, don't worry. Haripol. Okay, those who are having trouble reciting it, can you recite along with me? Kaushiki, Josh, can you repeat after me? Dhyayato Vishaya Pumsa Sangasteshu Pajayate Sangat Sanjayate Kama Kamat Krodho Vijayate. Very good. Now I am going to all lower hands. Okay, who did not get a turn and wants to recite this verse? I have Brinda. Who else is there who hasn't recited? Palvit, Prateek. Anybody wants to recite this verse? I'm looking into the participant list. If anybody, Rudra is there. Very good, Rudra. Rudra, go ahead. Can you say this verse, Rudra?
Yes.
You want to repeat after me or do you know the verse?
Vishayam Pumsa Sangasteshu Pujayate Sangat Sanjayate
Kama
Kamat Krodha
Vijayate.
Vijayate.
Very nice, very nice. So now what we will do is, who is this? Wait, I saw someone. Dhanvin. Okay, Dhanvin, and anybody else is left who hasn't recited the verse and wants to do it? Brinda, do you want to do it? Who is it? Dhanvin and Palvit, huh? Dhanvin, Palvit, and Brinda. Can you say this verse together?
Sangaseshu upajayate sanjayate kamasayate.
Okay. Danvin, could you say it?
Ayato visayan pumsaha sangaseshu upajayate
Do you know?
kamat krodho vijayate.
Very good. Abhi is also there. Abhi, do you want to say this verse? Oh, this is Abhiram. Go ahead, Abhiram.
Me.
Jayato Vishaya Pumsaha Sangasteshu Prajayate Sangat Sanjayate Kamaha Kamat Krodho Vijayate.
Very good, very good. So, Josh, could you say the verse? Josh,
Yes?
could you say this verse or do you want to repeat after me?
Repeat
Okay,
after you.
okay. So, dhyayato
Dayato
बोलो दे तो
vishaya.
Kishaya.
बोलो
No, she's speaking.
Okay, Kaushiki, you can also repeat after him.
Okay.
Okay, you both can repeat after me, okay? Dhyayato
Dhyayato
vishayan pumsa
Dhyayato Shivapumsa
sangas
Sangha
teshu pajayate
Sangasteshu Vijayate
sangat
Sangat
sanjayate kama
Sanjay Dekhama
kamat krodho
Kama Krodho
Vijayate
Vijayate.
Very good. Josh, can you read the translation for us?
Okay. While complicating the objects of senses, bum a person, bum develops bum attachment for them, and from such attachment, lust develops, and from lust, anger rises.
Very good. Now we are going to ask you one question. Do you think about an example which comes to your mind when we are thinking about this verse?
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. Can I say the translation?
We'll go ahead with the next part because we have another 2 verses to be revised today. Okay, and then there are some activities, so we'll move ahead. Okay, we'll have enough of time and enough of opportunities to do the other verses. Okay, Deepak. So now, when we are reading this verse, the translation of this verse,
Okay,
do you
Mataji,
think
Hare
about an
Krishna.
example which comes to your mind?
Gulab Jamun.
Gulab Jam example, okay.
Bharat Maharaj.
Who is it?
Bharat Maharaj.
Bharat Maharaj. But then over here, see, like a person develops attachment to them. Okay, for that it is Bharat Maharaj.
Less than anger. Oh, I'm spotlighted. Ajamila.
Ajamila is there. Balavrinda said that okay, we have Gulab Jam because we developed attachment to it. And then for the next part, like Ajamila, we said Ajamila, right? Because the next part is from such attachment, lust develops, and from lust, anger, right? So for this lust and anger, who's the best example? Mukund said it now.
Ajamila. Ajamila.
Very good, Ajamila, right? So,
Ramja.
right, Ajamila developed lust. He developed attachment to Kama, and then he got lost from his path of devotion, right? And then he started robbing things. He started doing all sorts of wrong things. So this is an example for like when we are explaining this verse, we can also talk about Ajamila as an example. Remember? So we are just going over these 3 verses because at the end we are going to recite these 3 verses together. Okay? So we'll do it individually and then together. So now if somebody, you have an example of someone who was doing his devotional service, was a very nice devotee, and later on it happens that, oh, he starts watching TV, he stops going to the temple, and then he just starts doing all wrong things. And if you have to go and preach to that person, okay, if you have to go and preach to that person, what do you think, which verse will you recite to him?
Jayato.
Jayato
Jayato Vishaya
Right? So you are understanding what we are doing? Because this should be used, yeah, this should be used for teaching also, right? But now, why is Lord Krishna explaining this to Arjuna? Why is Krishna explaining this to Arjuna? What was the reason?
Because he was attached to his
Arjuna was attached to his like people like his teacher Dronacharya, Kripacharya, and Bhishma Dev, and his
Yes. So always remember what is our plot and what this is going around, right? And this is not only for Arjuna, this is for us also. That when we get attached to the senses, then what happens? We start fulfilling the needs of the senses. And then from that develops lust. And then from lust, anger arises. Okay. Because, but why do you think from lust, anger will come?
because if you don't satisfy your desire, then like you'll get
Very good. When you suppose you want, like, I'm so very needed for gulab jam. I want gulab jam right away. And if I don't get it, what happens? That my feeling of
Anger.
gulab jam is not satisfied, and then I start throwing tantrums. Oh, I did not get this. I did not get that. I did not get this, right?
Anger.
So yeah, and then anger arises. This is a very small example for it, but in material life, there can be very big examples related to this, right? Where people can go mad with all the attachments. If they don't get an iPhone, if they don't get an iPhone, new iPhone, and then they start stealing, robbing, and all sorts of wrong things they start doing, right? And this is only for satisfying our senses.
Mataji,
Yes.
like I just joined, so I don't know like the stories of the gods and stuff like that.
Okay, no worries, Josh. So you know what the plot for this, the Bhagavad Gita, is that the Bhagavad Gita was spoken by Lord Shri Krishna. One second, okay? I'll just show you the cover of Bhagavad Gita. Okay, so I have the old Bhagavad Gita with me. Okay, so see over here, it's this the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, so Bhagavad Gita was spoken by Lord Krishna to Arjuna. This is Lord Krishna, and behind him is Arjuna. Okay, so it is that they were on a battlefield because there was a war between the Kauravas and the Pandavas. So the Kauravas and the Pandavas, they are cousins, but they were fighting for the kingdom. Now, the Pandavas did not really want a lot of kingdom. They just want a little kingdom, whatever they could survive on. But the Kauravas, they were very cunning. And they tried with all their other means, and they took away all the kingdom from Yudhishthir and all the Pandavas. Pandavas means 5 brothers they were, okay? And Kauravas, they were 100. So they cunningly, they took away all the kingdom from them, and to get their kingdom back, to get their original right what they had, Pandavas had to fight them. Okay, now the Pandavas were very nice, they really did not want to fight. So what happened when they came on the battlefield? It was a situation wherein Arjuna felt very helpless, and looking at his guru vargas, his teachers, his brothers, and all his like grandfather Bhishma, he was bewildered. He thought that no, I cannot fight with them. These are the people whom I've grown with, and I cannot kill them. And then he was bewildered. Okay, and that is the reason Lord Krishna was trying to explain him that what is your duty and how you have to go with it. Okay, Josh, did you understand the basic line for this?
Yeah.
Okay, so as we go, we will be able to clear it off more. Okay.
Okay.
And I'll see to it that every time when I'm doing it, we'll have a baseline for it cleared so that you get an idea of what we are doing.
Okay. Thanks.
Hare Krishna. So now we will all recite this verse, or again, you know what? I think we've recited this verse, so I'll have again three kids recite it. So Balavrinda, Dhanvin, and Nandini. Can you say this verse?
Okay, Mataji. Krodhat bhavati sammohat sammohat buddhinasho buddhinashat pranashyati. Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you.
Hare Krishna. So now, again, after that, we have Balaram, Krishna Nayana, and who else? Parikshit. Can you three say this verse together?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji.
Krodhat bhavati
क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशात् बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. Thank you, Mataji.
Very
Thank you, Mataji.
Hari Bol. So we have Akshita, Abhayram, and Balaram. Can you three say this verse together?
Okay, Mataji. Krodhat bhavati sammohat sammohat smriti vibhrama smriti bhramshat buddhinasho buddhinashat pranashyati.
Very good, very nice. Your pronunciation is so nice. So we have Bhargavi,
Mataji,
Karthik.
can we say this shloka with you?
Okay, who is it?
Shubhadra and Giridhari.
Okay, Subhadra Giridhari. At the end, I will say it with you. Okay, at the end means after all these kids are done, then I'll say it. Okay, don't worry, we'll do that. So we have Karthik, then we have Bhargavi and Keshavi. Can you say it together?
Krodha bhavati sammoha samhata smari vibhrama samriti
Brahmsha.
buddhinaso buddhinasta pranashyati.
Very good.
Thank you, Mataji.
Nandini Palvit and someone is there. Pratik. Nandini, Palvit, and Pratik. If somebody does not know to recite this verse, no worries. After these kids are done, you can do it with me again.
Mataji, you already told me to say the sloka.
Okay, no worries, no worries. Then Rudra can go then along with him. Go ahead, Nandini, Rudra.
Bhavati sammoha
Vibrama.
smriti
Vibrama.
vimpraha smriti vamsad buddhinasho
Very good. Mukund and Vikhyat, can you say this verse together? Mukund, Vikhyat, and Shri Krishna. Can you say it together?
Sure, Mataji.
Mataji.
Krodhat bhavati sammoha sammohat smritivibramaha
smriti bhashad
buddhinasho
buddhinashat pranashyati.
Very
Hare
good.
Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, can we go? Can I go? This is hungry.
It's Deepak. Something
Yeah,
got
Tanvi and
wrong.
Deepak, can you both go together?
Krodhat
Krodhat bhavati sammoha
Vividraha
Vibramaha.
Printi Mamshad Buddhinasho
So,
Buddhinasha Pranashyati. Thank you, Mataji.
very good. Hare Krishna. Okay, now those who could not say this verse or recite this verse will do it together, okay, along with me. Subhadra, Giridhari, Kaushiki, okay?
Deepak.
Krodhat bhavati
Krodhat bhavati
Sammoha.
Samoha.
Sammohat. Sammohat.
Samoha.
Smritivibhramaha. Smritibhramshat. Buddhinaso. Buddhinashat. Pranashyati. Krodhat bhavati sammoha. Sammohat smritivibhramaha. Smritibhramshat buddhinasho. Buddhinashat pranashyati. Very good. Akshita, can you read the translation for us?
Okay, Mataji. From anger, delusion arises, and from delusion, bewilderment of memory. When memory is bewildered, intelligence is lost. And when intelligence is lost, one falls down again into the material pool. Thank you, Mataji.
Now, when we think about this verse, what example does it come to your mind? What comes to your mind?
Duryodhan.
Yes, one at a time.
Duryodhan.
Who comes to your mind? Duryodhan.
Duryodhan. Yes, Mataji.
Very good.
Duryodhan.
Krishna Mataji, Duryodhan.
Duryodhan. Very good. And who else? From the Ramayana? From the Ramayana. Ravan. Very good. Very nice. No, Sita was not a Kamsa, yes. Kamsa is also an example from Mahabharata. Okay, so very nice. So you all know about this verse, right? From anger delusion arises. And you remember we did an activity.
He's saying Potana Mataji.
Okay.
Mataji.
Yes. You remember when we did this activity, when we did this verse, we also did one thing. Why do you get angry? Like what? Like just remember, I had done this one. You can see me? Okay.
Yes,
We had done
Mataji.
this activity again. I did not see anybody posting this. I don't know why. So it was written like, why do you get angry? We wrote it in the center over here. Why do I get angry? And there were n number of reasons. There can be any reason that I get angry, right? Suppose if I wake up cranky, then I just start pouncing on anyone and everyone, right, Balavrinda? Balavrinda, right? When you get up in a bad mood, then you just start everything goes wrong. Then when suppose your chanting is not done, you get angry. Then suppose your brother or sister tries to trouble you, then you get angry, right? So there are so many things because of which you can get angry. And what did we learn from this verse? Yeah, so from anger, delusion arises. You're not going to think properly, bewilderment of memory. And when memory is bewildered, intelligence is lost. You cannot think straight. And then everything starts going wrong because your intelligence is not working anymore. Okay. And at higher level, it is like you fall into the material pool, like it is about example of Ravana, about Kamsa.
Mataji.
Yes. Haribol? Who is it? You know, ask something? You can ask, no worries. Whoever it is. Sorry, I did not understand who it was. Okay, if you're ready for your question, then you can ask me anytime, okay? No worries.
Mataji, suddenly I think I lost my internet. I think I asked.
Okay.
So suddenly all the videos went. I'm
Okay,
Shri
Shri
Krishna.
Krishna. Yes, Shri Krishna.
No, I called you much because suddenly all the things
It's like
Okay.
Like,
Are you back
they
now?
were gone, and then it said your internet connection is unstable. So yeah,
Oh,
so I noticed the internet.
okay. I hope you're back now.
Yes, Mataji, I'm back.
Very good. Okay, so now this verse which we did, right? I think the last week we did this verse. So we have okay, again I will have so we have Krishna Nena, Parikshit and Akshita. Can you say this verse together?
Okay, Mataji. रागद्वेष विमुक्तैस्तु विषयानिन्द्रियैश्चरन् आत्मवैषर्विधेयात्मा प्रसादमधिगच्छति. Thank you, Mataji.
Very good.
Thank you,
Balavrinda, Krishna Nena and Dhanvin. Can you say it together?
Mataji, I just said it.
You said it? Okay. Balavrinda, Dhanvin and Abhiram then.
रागद्वेष
विमुक्तैस्तु विषयानिन्द्रियैश्चरन् आत्मवैषर्विधेयात्मा प्रसादमधिगच्छति.
Sati. Okay. Those who are having trouble with this verse, don't worry. We will do it at the end. Okay. So we have Balaram, Deepak, and who is this? Dhruva. Is Dhruva somebody else? Okay. So Deepak, Dhanvin, can you recite this verse by yourself? Karthik is also there. Hare Krishna, Karthik. Can you say this verse?
I don't know the word.
Vumuktaistu.
विमुक्तैस्तु विषयानादृष्टाकरानफलता वैश्चर्यारभन्तयम.
Okay, no worries. We'll do it together. 1 minute. Deepak will do it, okay? We'll do it. Okay, anybody else who Keshavi? Manmai Krishna, where are you?
Mataji, I already said it 2 times.
Okay.
Like the
Manmai
other 2
Krishna?
slokas.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, can I go with the sloka?
Yes, Tanvik, I'm just looking for somebody to accompany you, okay? So, Rudra, do you want to say along with Tanvik?
I can say.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, so
Good.
Vikhyat and Mukund, you can say it after them, okay? Okay, Rudra and Tanvik, can you go ahead?
रागद्वेष विमुक्तैस्तु विषयानिन्द्रियैश्चरन् आत्मवैषर्विधेयात्मा प्रसादमधिगच्छति. Thank you,
Very good.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So, Vikhyat, Mukund and Shri Krishna, can you say it together?
Yes, Mataji.
Ragadvesha
विमुक्तैस्तु
विषयानिन्द्रियैश्चरन्
आत्मवैषर्विधेयात्मा
प्रसादम्
अधिगच्छति.
Very good. Okay, so now those Balaram is there. Balaram and who else is not said? Can you say along with Balaram? Okay, go ahead, Balaram.
रागद्वेष विमुक्तैस्तु विषयानिन्द्रियैश्चरन् आत्मवैषर्विधेयात्मा प्रसादम् अधिगच्छति. Thank you,
Very-
Mataji.
Very nice. Okay, those who could not say this verse, can you repeat after me? Deepak, Kaushiki, Josh, can you repeat this verse after me? And if anybody else is there, Subhadra, Giridhari, you can also repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Ragadvesha, Vimuktestu, Ragadvesha Vimuktestu, Vishayan Indriyascharan, Vishayan Indriyascharan, आत्मवैश्चैर्
Atmaveshya.
विधेयात्मा आत्मवैश्चैर्विधेयात्मा प्रसादम् अधिगच्छति. Okay. So now we have who? Okay. 1 second. Balaram, can you read the translation for us?
Okay, Mataji. One who can control his senses by practicing the regulated principles.
Mataji, we cannot hear you.
What,
Okay, others
Mataji?
can mute. Balaram, can you be a little bit loud?
Okay, Mataji. One who can control his senses by practicing and
Regulated
the regulated principles from of
freedom
can
obtain
obtain the complete mercy of the
Lord.
and thus become free from all attachment and aversion.
Very good. Thank you so much. Abhayram, can you repeat the translation for us? Haribol Abhayram, can you repeat the translation for us?
One who can control his senses by practicing the regulated principles of freedom can obtain the complete mercy of the Lord and thus become free from all attachment and aversion.
Very good. Thank you so much. So when we did this, you remember we said when we can control the senses by practicing the regulated principles. Remember what was the craft which we did for it? So remember whatever craft or whatever activity we are doing, it is with respect to the verse. Okay. So you remember what we did, that if we can control our senses, we did that the kite is like our senses which is trying to run around here and there. Right. And then we have a string by which we are trying to control it. And then what we did, we tried to surrender our senses to Krishna also by using our senses in the service of the Lord. So those who want to do this activity, you can do it so that you can remember this very well. And then the example which comes to our mind. What do you think?
Haridas Thakur.
Haridas Thakur, right? Because one who is going to engage his senses in the service of the Lord, what happens? The freedom, by practicing the regulated principles of freedom, can obtain the complete mercy of the Lord and thus become free from all attachments and aversion. See, he had so much of difficulty, right? Because he was being disturbed. He was being taken away from his chanting, but he did not surrender onto her, or he did not listen to her. He was just fixed in his devotion to the Lord, chanting the holy names of the Lord. So this should be our level of devotion. And I hope we all get it. Now, what we are going to do is, you know what, there are two stories to it. But before that, I want you to start with the activity so that then I can tell you the story when you're doing the activity. Okay?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Okay, Kaushiki. Okay, you can go and come back. Okay?
Okay, Mataji, thank you.
Hare Krishna. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, remember what we did was that why do I get angry? This was one activity which was we did, right? And then we had number of reasons why do we get angry. Now we get angry because we are not satisfying our senses or something is not happening. Now what we are going to do is this. What do you think this is? Anybody can tell me?
It's a mind, Mataji. It's a brain.
Brain, right? This is our brain where the intelligence is processed and then you're thinking about it. So now, whatever are the things that are going wrong, or whatever are the things that Haribol?
Are we doing a craft or something?
Yes, we are going to draw this now. Okay. So then we are going to train our mind. We are going to train our mind not to get angry. We are going to train our mind how to control ourselves. Okay, and that happens only, you know what, when there is a machine. Okay, if there's a remote machine, then there are some keys which you put it up, and then, or suppose when you're playing a game on your TV or on your PlayStation, anywhere, you put some commands to it, right? Go backward, go forward, and then according to that the car moves. So for our moving in this material world also, we need our brain, we need our intelligence to be under our control. If it is not in our control, our vehicle is not going to move properly. Okay, so what we are going to do is how to control our brain, or how to control our mind, or how to control our intelligence. We have to feed our intelligence some commands. Okay,
Are we drawing that whole entire brain?
yes, you're going to draw this whole entire brain. Isn't it interesting? See, I've drawn a small one to show you, and along with you, I will draw a big one also. I hope you can see me. See, what I did was, I'll show you how to do it. But I had this D. If you, the elder kid, the bigger kids can also have this one. And I just kept it slanting and then I drew it. But if you do not have this, do not worry. You can just draw a C. Okay? A C we can draw, and then we can make clouds into it. Can we do that? Yes?
I get it, but I cannot see you full screen.
Okay. You know what? For a few minutes, I'll just stop share so that you can see me. Okay. So
Yeah, I
this
see
is
you,
what we have
Mataji.
done. Yeah. So see, this is what we have done. I've done over here, wherein you can just, you know what? You don't even need anything to draw. You can just draw a.
Mataji, you mean like this?
Where are you?
Oops.
Krishna Naina, is it?
This one?
Wait, Krishna Naina, let me add to the spotlight. Where are you? Okay, yes, Krishna Naina. That one you can make, because this is a smaller one. But then if you want to make a big one, if you want to make a big one, you can just make a, you can just make a C. Do you have your drawing paper with you, everyone? Your drawing paper and a pencil with you?
Yes,
Okay.
Mataji.
Yes,
Now, can you draw a C? Now, remember, when you draw a C, do it like this, right? A C, normal C is done like this. Now, what you can do, let the C be slanting a little bit. Okay, the C is going to sleep. Draw a C wherein the C is going to sleep. Or maybe it is tilted C.
Can you show me, Mataji? Sorry, I didn't see that.
One second, okay? I'll just show you. See, I just drew like this, C. Can you see a C? Just draw a C and we can tilt the paper. Don't worry about it.
Okay, Mataji, thank
A
you.
C. Okay? I'll see how many of you have done a C. Tanvik, are you done?
Mataji, like this?
Yes, very good, very good. We can see the paper later on. See, this is just a C. This is a small one which I'm showing you, and then a big one also I'm showing it over here. Okay, just a C to be drawn, and then at one end of the C, you are going to make a line down. See over here, you can see this one. Over here, where the C.
Can you please share the screen? It's
line.
more easier for me. I can't see the paper properly.
Okay, you know what? I'm on spotlight. You can see me?
Mataji, you're not spotlighted, Mataji. What do I do?
Did you make a C?
Yes. I cannot see.
Okay. Now, wherever the C ends, okay, remember everyone now. Wherever the C ends, over there, just make a line down, straight line down.
Mataji, can you please Mataji, you're not spotlighted. Mataji, can you please share your screen so I can easily understand? Because sometimes
Vinita Gandharika
Mataji?
Mataji, I'm spotlighted it. Yeah. So see,
Mataji?
there was a C done, and then just a line at the bottom. Can you do that much?
Mataji, can I make this later? Because are you making the kite? I forgot. Are you making the kite?
Kite we made last week, so now today
No.
is the brain activity. I'll
Huh?
send the screenshots for the kite, okay, Keshavi, so that you can do it at home. But now you
I
can
did
do
that, but was it the diamond one are we making?
the diamond one we did. We drew a kite, and then the census we did. What I'll do is, Keshavi, I will send it, okay? I'll send it on the group, or I'll send it to your mom, and then you can do it. Is that okay? Very good, Tanvik. Very nice.
Okay, Mataji.
Very good. Subhadra Giridhari, are you doing it?
Because my mom is busy and I can't go outside.
I know, I know.
Go.
You have a
She
road.
has a lot of work. So
Yeah.
I'll do this.
Subhadra Giridhari, now draw a line at the down. See? We see this, see? And then there is a line down. Yes, Balavrinda?
After the line, what do you do, Mataji?
After the line, what are we going to do is, you know how to make clouds?
No.
Clouds you don't know.
On the back, I'm going to show you how to make clouds. You know what clouds we do? When we make a cloud,
Clouds you don't know.
when we make a cloud, what do? We just drew like this. And then we do like this, like this.
Do the clouds.
We do like this. Like this, we do clouds. Remember? So now, 1 second, okay? Whoever it is, I will just come back to you. So what are we going to do now is, we are going to make clouds like this from here. See? We are just going to bring like this. See everyone, can you see this?
Yes, Mataji.
In simple terms, what I'll tell you, make a upside down 3. You write 3, right? So instead of writing 3 like this, draw it like this and join it. Can you do that? First,
Yes, Mataji.
then we did a 1, and now we are doing a upside down 3.
Mataji, is it only until you did or like the whole thing?
Yeah, only until I did, because then I'll tell you what is to be done next. So first we did a C, then we did a 1 over here, or a straight line, and then we are doing an upside down 3. Very good, Tanvik. Very nice, Tanvik. You all can show it on the screen, so I know you are on the same page. Very nice, Balavrinda. You're drawing a big brain. Good job. Wonderful. Deepak? Yes, Vrinda. Very nice. Okay, this line, if it's there, then it will look like a brain.
But
Yes,
Mataji.
Krishna. Yes, Deepak. Yes, Akshita. Very nice. Okay.
Yes.
Please share your screen. It's more
Let
easier.
me see. So you want to do it a little bit bigger?
Mataji.
Yes, Mukund, where are you? Let me see. Mukund.
I won't be drawing this today because I need to go to the Kirtan.
Okay, till you come back from the Kirtan, will be still there, Mukund, because we have to tell a story also, okay?
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, I finished.
Come back and I'll be sending. Don't worry. We'll miss you, but you come back soon. Yes, Balavrinda.
Mataji, I already did my Kirtan.
Oh, is it going to show us?
What,
One
Mataji?
second, Balavrinda. You want to show us, Mukund?
No, Mataji. I didn't make mine. I'll be making them tomorrow.
Okay, no worries. No worries. Yes, Balavrinda. I can't hear you. But...
Guidelines, what do we do, Mataji? Down?
Yeah. Okay. Don't fully do the curve line. Only 1 3 we have to do, because after this 3, then see, remember over here, if you see this, we made a like this, and then okay, one second. Okay, I will just erase the sentence.
Mataji,
After
can you share your screen? It's more easier for me.
Okay, see, after this, what we will do is, it will just get it down like this. Okay. Just get it down, a parallel line. You can draw it big also, because we want to write sentences into it, right? Meet, are you okay? Could you understand what we are doing?
Show it to her.
Mataji, is it like this?
Mataji, can you please share your screen?
Yes, very good, Tanvik. Krishna Lena, you want to show something? Very nice.
Mataji,
Very nice,
is this
Vrinda.
Mataji, is this good?
Yeah, very nice, Krishna Naina. Who is it?
Mataji.
Sita,
Danvin.
very good.
This is Danvin.
Dhanvin, where is Dhanvin? I could not see. One second, na Dhanvin. I'll just see where you are. Maybe you're on the next screen. Dhanvin. Okay, Dhanvin. Let me see. Okay, yeah, very nice. Yes, Rudra. Rudra is there. Okay. Okay, very good. Most of you have got it. Very nice. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make like this clouds over here. Just to show that, okay, this is brain. Just write 3. Just write ulta sulta 3. Just write 3 so that we are making that brain structure, okay? Just write 3 so that the brain is getting filled up. But remember, we have to write also something into it, okay? So just 2 or 3 threes are good enough. Subhadra, can you see what we are doing? Very good, very nice. Okay, Vikhyat, are you there? Josh? Dhanvin, you want to show it to me again? Very good, wonderful.
Can Vrinda see? Can Vrinda show?
Yes, Vrinda, I will love to see yours. Karthik, I'm waiting for yours. Akshita, I'm waiting for yours. Okay, Vrinda, I will have you. Okay, Vrinda, can you do it like this? See? Okay, Vrinda, see. You can write, I'll again show it to you, okay? See, we are going to do a C like this, okay? An opposite C. Then we are drawing a line like this. Then we did 1, 3. And then, see? And then we just drew it like this. See?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Akshita, I'm going to spotlight you. Yes, very nice, Akshita. Very nice. Dhanvin,
Deepak, can I go?
very good, Dhanvin. Who is it? Deepak. Yes, Deepak. I'll spotlight you. Okay?
Brain. It's my brain.
I can wait. Can you show me again? Very good. Wonderful. Wonderful, Kaushiki. Okay, Sisu, those who are still drawing, I'll just tell you, see, we are
Thank you,
making a
Mataji.
tree,
This one's mine.
goal, and then we did 1 over here, a 3, and then we did just a parallel line. Okay, everyone done with this much? Meet is doing meet. Let me spotlight.
Mataji, thank you.
Very good, Meet. Very good. You can, okay, you've done a 3. That's okay. Okay, that's okay. And who
Mataji,
else
I'm
is-
done with my brain.
Okay, so now what we are going to do is, in our brain, we want our brain to think intelligently, right? Do we want our brain to think intelligently? How many of you agree?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
So we are going to
Yes,
write
Mataji.
in our brain all good
Mataji.
things. Very good. So all things to which you want yourself to follow. Like for me, I will get up early. Then I want to tell my brain, get up early. Then I write over here, get up early. Okay. This is what I am
Mataji.
instructing my brain.
Mataji,
Yes.
this is Vrinda, but I don't know how to spell words.
Okay. So what do you want to write so that I can spell for you, Vrinda? What do you think you want to tell your brain to do? Chant?
Yes.
Okay. Then can you write CHANT? Kaushiki, you can also write. Do you want to chant more, Kaushiki? You are mute, Kaushiki. I can't hear you.
You mean to say chant?
Yes, chant. Do you want to chant? Do you want to tell your brain to chant? You want to chant more? You want
Yes.
to make Krishna happy?
Yes.
Then you can chant. Then can you write on your brain? C-H-A-N-T. Chant.
Can you just Mataji? Mataji.
What is it,
so
Kaushiki?
can you just tell one by one how to spell Hare Krishna chanting?
Hare
Hare
Krishna. Okay, I will put up that slide. Just you write chant. Don't write full Mahamantra. Just
Hare
write
Krishna
chant.
Mataji, it's Deepak. What's the
Yes,
spelling for
Deepak.
prasadam? I'm writing chant and offering
Prasadam.
prasadam.
Okay. Meet, you want to show me something? Okay, very nice, Meet. Very nice.
Hare
You
Krishna
can
Mataji.
you want to write in that something?
It's
Thank you,
the
Mataji.
I
Chant
don't know
is
the
written. Very
spelling
nice,
for
Meet. Very nice.
prasadam.
Prasadam. Prasadam, you want to spell it?
But I don't know spelling.
Okay, I'll tell you. Okay. Vrinda, if you want to write Prasadam, you can write that. Okay. Tanvik, you also. Whatever you want to write, you can write it. Okay. So now these kids want me to spell Prasadam. So write P R A
R-A-S-A
S A D A M.
D-A-M.
Okay. And do you want to write offer also? Yes, Kaushiki.
There's Dhanvin.
Oh, Dhanvin. What is it, Dhanvin?
Should we write what we want to do inside the mind or outside the mind?
Inside the mind. What you want to do, you have to tell inside the mind, right? So you write inside the mind. Oh, look at Akshita. Akshita, let me spotlight you, okay? Okay, you're already on spotlight. So Akshita has written, sleep on time and get up early, chant my rounds, do school homework on time. Wonderful. She's instructing her brain. Very nice, Akshita.
Hare Krishna. Mataji, this is Hare Krishna.
Shri
Mataji, this is
Sri Krishna, what have you written?
Mataji, I was just watching.
You can just take a paper and draw brain, Sri Krishna. You can draw brain. You have a pencil with you?
Yeah, I'm actually going to draw like looking on Facebook.
Okay, but you're going to serve. You'll share it, right?
Yes, Mataji. Once I draw, I'll try sharing it.
Okay. Okay, so now Tanvik is showing us something.
My activity.
Tanvik, where is Tanvik? Yes, Tanvik is saying chanting. What else, Tanvik? What else do you want to do? You can write some more things. Okay, Palvit. Where is Palvit? Show me Palvit.
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak.
One second, Deepak, okay? Palvit, can you show me what you're doing? Palvit, can you show me what you did you do?
But I don't try top of a brain. I tried chant.
Okay, chant. And then, okay, somebody said offer prasadam. Then I am going to write cook yummy food. Can I write that? Cook food. Then I am going to write, Vinita Mataji is going to agree with it. Vinita Mataji, where are you?
I am here, Mataji.
Sleep on time.
Yeah, sleep on time. Don't wake up all night.
Sleep on time for myself. What else? Then Vrinda, did you want to write something more?
Me?
Vrinda from Texas.
Dallas.
Dallas. Okay, anybody else? What you have written? Can you show me? Vikhyat, Abhiram. Akshita has done.
I added one more.
You added one more. What was it?
Mataji, it's Deepak.
Do Aarti in the morning. Very good. I also have to write that. You know what, Akshita?
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's
Yes,
Deepak.
Deepak. Yes, Deepak.
What's the spelling for bhakti? I'm doing my bhakti yoga.
Okay, do your bhakti yoga. Wonderful.
Mummy,
They, so now what you can do is, yeah, you can,
This one's mine.
okay, you know what? You can go on sharing more. You can go on writing more.
Akriti, this one's mine.
Okay, one second. Show me. Let me see Subhadra. Okay, let me see Subhadra.
Then let my sister say something.
Okay, now you know what? Let me, yes, Karthik, let me see Karthik, what Karthik has done. One second, let me see Karthik.
Can I know the spelling for Bhakti Yoga? I know the spelling for yoga.
Okay, very nice, Karthik.
This is Vrinda. Vrinda wants to say something.
Yes, Vrinda.
Actually, I wake up early morning and chant.
Can I show mine?
Very good. Very nice. You
Actually,
can write over
3
there.
rounds I chant. 3
Very
rounds.
nice, Vrinda. Very nice. Very nice.
Mataji,
Yes.
it's 7:23.
Yes, that is the reason I want to tell a story also.
Yay, story.
So you can, yeah, you can keep working and I'll tell you a short story. Okay? Okay, Haribol. So listen. Now this story is that why should you not be angry? Because last verse which we did was that anger leads to delusion and then fall of a person, right? So why you should not be angry? This is one example. Okay, now Deepak, we are going to be on mute because I will just complete this story. Okay? Haribol. So once upon a time, what happened was there was a carpenter shop. Now, this carpenter shop, in the carpenter shop, there are things which are used to cut wood. So there are sharp object in the Haribol. Somebody is on unmute. Okay, so there are such equipments which are very sharp. Okay, so once what happened, a snake, it slithered in and it went into the shop. It was looking for a mouse and it went into the shop. If through a hole or something, it just got in. Now when it got in, there were a lot of equipments which were kept over there. Okay, so because this snake, it goes on coils around anything, right? So this snake, when it went into the shop, it so happened that it coiled around a saw. What is a saw? It is an thing which is used.
It's like chopped wood. You have to
Yeah,
break
to chop
something.
wood, to cut wood. So it curled itself around that saw. Now the saw, at one end, it has very sharp edges. Okay. So what happened was, these sharp edges started pricking the snake. And the snake, overall, it is always defensive mood. It is always trying to protect itself and it is very alert. So when something started pricking, what he thought, he got angry. He thought, how dare somebody is trying to hurt me. And then he thought, and what does the snake do? The snake will try to coil around and strangle the person which he has caught. Okay. So what he did, he thought that this saw is trying to hurt him, and he went on coiling around it. And he thought, maybe if I'm coiling around it, I will strangle it, so I will coil more tightly around it. Okay, because he was very, very angry on that saw. Now he did not know that the saw is not a living thing. Was the saw cutting it, or was the snake doing some problem? What do you think? What was the reason?
Snake.
Who's doing a problem?
The snake is doing some problem.
It was not the saw. The saw was just lying over there. The snake went and curled around it. And when the saw started pricking it, the more it pricked, the more angrier it got, the snake. And when it got more angry, what happens? When you get angry, what happens?
Lust develops.
Yes, and greed, and then intelligence is what?
Lost.
Intelligence is lost. When you start getting angry, then your intelligence is totally lost. And then this only revenge and only bad thoughts started coming into this mind of this snake. And it started curling around the blade so tightly that What happened eventually? What do you think will happen? The saw is going to, what will happen to the snake when it's going to
The
curl
snake
around?
Die.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, give me 1 minute. I will get a knife and show it to you. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second.
Hi, Krishna Mataji. Deepak, where are you?
Yes. So, okay, I did not have a knife over there, but see if it's a scissor, okay? Then what will happen if I try to put around a thread around it, and if I try to do, what will happen? It will cut, right? See, there is a thread, and if it is scissor, because it is sharp, it will go on cutting if I go on and on
Mataji,
doing.
we can't see you, Mataji.
Oh, Krishna. Okay,
Everyone is spotlighted, so the screen keeps on changing and I can't see
It's a spotlight, so we can't see.
okay, now can you see me?
everybody.
No, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
No, Mataji.
Okay.
Yes,
Mataji,
Mataji.
could you stop sharing your screen,
Hi, Krishna
Mataji?
Mataji. It's Deepak. We
Yeah,
can
we can see you, Mataji. You're spotlighted, Mataji.
Okay, see, when there is a scissor, this is sharp, right? If I go curling
Hi,
around
Krishna
the thread,
Mataji. It's
it is
Deepak.
going
I
to cut.
can see you.
So, like that, what happened was that this snake started curling around the knife so tightly that it cut itself and it died eventually. Okay. So this is what happens when you start having a wrong feeling or you start having a lot of anger. Your intelligence is totally lost. You cannot think properly. So whenever you start getting angry, just calm yourself down. You should train your mind that we do not need to be angry. Start chanting. Okay. And that is the reason we are training our mind to always chant. We are going to write that, okay, see, these are all positive things which you need to tell your mind to do. That I can take up challenge, I can study, I can get up early, I can do Mangalarti. And when you train your mind in such a way, you will not get angry on small things. Okay. So see, we already did this which verse for which thing, and then this was the story of the snake and the saw. Okay, I had one more activity, but we can do that later on. It was a wonderful activity, but then you will need time to think about it. So maybe in our next class we will add this activity. Okay, I had jumbled up all the verse words, and then you had to find out which verse it was. Okay, maybe we can do that from the in the next session. In the next class we will do that. Okay, that will be a fun activity.
It's Koshi. What's the thing for Hare Krishna? Can you please send one by one?
Okay, I will send it in the group, or else you know what, if you search it on the net also you can find it, because it will be big, right?
Hare
Hare-
Krishna Mataji. It's Deepak. My sister doesn't know how to write words, so that's why. Here is mine.
Okay, very nice. Let me spotlight you.
Mataji.
Okay.
Mataji.
Mataji,
Write
can
it in the chat, Mataji. We'll copy paste. He is a very big boy. Write it in the chat.
Chanting.
Okay, where is okay, chat. Okay, in the chat I'm writing Hare Krishna. Okay, Kaushiki, I'm writing Hare Krishna in the chat.
Okay, Mataji. Fine. My sister can.
We didn't show Mataji.
What is it?
This is Gita and Subhadra. Can I and my sister show what we did?
Yes. 1 second. Okay.
Yeah, we
Okay,
can see your kite. It is very nice.
Okay, show me. Yes, Subhadra. 1 second. Okay, I'll spotlight you.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Yes, where are you, Subhadra? Very nice, Subhadra. Very nice, Giridhari. Show me yours, Giridhari. Good job. Very nice. Can you send it in the group also, please?
Yes, Mataji.
Ah, look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Wonderful, wonderful. Good job. So now, so we are done for today. So I want you to complete.
Mataji, can we show our drawings too?
Yes, let's show it. Where is it?
It's here.
I couldn't see it clearly. What is about the brain?
Because it
not?
is with the pencil, right, Mataji? That's why we
Oh, okay.
cannot
Yeah,
see.
yeah, yeah. And it was upside down. Very nice. Very nice, Subhadra. Giridhari, show me yours. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. You can write, yeah, whatever you are instructing your brain, you can write, okay? See this,
Okay.
and then you can send it in the group. You can complete your work and send it in the group, okay? Shall we end our call today, or anybody has any questions?
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, can I please show mine?
Yes, yes, yes. Show yours. Who is it?
Krishna Naina.
Okay, Krishna Naina. Very nice. Krishna Naina.
It's Deepak. Can you
Do my homework. Only one instruction, Krishna Naina. Only one.
Mataji?
Yes.
It's
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Mataji, can Akshita show?
Vikrant, yes. Who is it?
Can Akshita show?
Deepak.
Okay, 1 second, Deepak. Akshita, yes, you show yours.
This is my brain. I wrote 5 things in it,
Yes, very nice, Akshita. Very nice.
and then this is my kite. I didn't
Good
I
job.
didn't share it in the group yet because I forgot.
No, I think I
Please
should.
share it in the group, okay? Please share it in the group as well.
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. Can you send Hare Krishna, Krishna?
Yeah, it is in the chat. Deepak, it is in the chat. Can you open
Yeah.
the chat? In the
Yes,
chat, it is there.
yeah, I saw it, but she's asking me. She doesn't also know how to write letters yet.
Okay, then can you write it on her paper? You can write it for her, Kaushiki. Let your brother do it for you a little bit, okay? It is okay to help.
Okay,
Okay, everyone. So can we end the call?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Sindhu Bhayevacha Patitana.
Bye, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Bye, all kids. Hari bol.
Bye Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Bye, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Mataji. Bye.
Bye.